Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What you see in front of you is the Genmitsu or Genmitsu 4040 Pro CNC machine. I purchased this machine about a week ago along with the Creality K1 3D printer, and I'm loving them both. I have a few upcoming projects that require precision and ability for me to prototype, hence me getting these two machines. This particular video, I'll be focusing on this offline controller. What the controller allows you to do is manipulate the X, Y, and Z axis without having a computer connected. I'm going to get this connected and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I have the controller connected. I'm going to power on the machine. And then what comes up is you have the ability to jog the gantry, manipulate the X, Y, and Z axis. You're able to probe the machine. I'm able to home the machine. I have an aftermarket router connected, so the spindle function is not working. If you have any crashes or anything like that, I'm able to unlock the machine or reset it. And I can, it says start a project. I click on that, and then I'm able to navigate to a file on this SD card, micro SD. I didn't know there was something on there already, but there seems to be an NC file on here already. I'm not sure what that is. So anyway, we'll just refresh, go back out, and just so you can see, we're gonna go X positive, which should be right, X negative, and then gantry positive should be, oh, I crashed, it went the wrong direction. So, which is good. So we can go back into prepare. I can go to the unlock feature, and then I can go back to Y negative and move the machine forward. So, I mean, that's basically it. It's not an instructional video on this machine. Really, the focus was, I have this cable, I have this box. What do I do with it? It came with nothing. If you look at the back of the box, it has 2 mounting points, but nothing came with it. So what I did was I used my new 3D printer and I 3D printed this holder. So have a cutout for the ribbon cable to plug in. These are 2 recesses that line up and match with the these little nubs that stick out. And then what I did was I set this angle for me. It's about 45, 50 degree angle. And then what I did was I set up the bottom so that I can just mount it on top of the fixed Gerbil controller that comes with the CNC machine. So let's take a look at that. So here we have the little mount, and I have this portion here, this kind of a rabbit recess to basically align the unit. I'm going to put 2 screws in the back. I think they're 3mm screws. And I'm going to just stick some double-sided tape on it and affix it there. And I did some testing before to make sure that we're in an optimal position for me to see this. And when I home the machine, which brings the gantry forward and brings it home positions forward and left, that I don't have any collision with this. I couldn't find my scissors. I had to borrow my wife's. They're pink, don't judge me. So we're gonna take the controller and I'm just gonna affix it to the back. I'm gonna take these 2 screws. On the bottom, there's this little cutout recess which just so I don't interfere with this screw that's right there. So I'm looking for some good adhesion, so just some IPA. I did some measuring already. Okay. We have the tape. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the ribbon cable. Okay, and I'm just gonna align this up. Okay, now we got the unit affixed, and it's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's a good thing that the button's on the bottom, so as I do any manipulation, all of that force is, closer to the lower center of gravity, so I'm not putting any pressure at the top. So that's pretty good. So now the moment of truth is, let's hone the machine and see. Okay, so there's about 10 millimeters of clearance in the rear, so I think this project is good to go. I like the positioning of it. The read angle is good for me, my height, and I think this project is complete. Thank y'all very much for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this content and would like to see some more. Be sure to hit me up with any questions you have in the comments, and also I'll probably post this file as well. Thank you.